Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you why I started a YouTube channel and 3 reasons why you might want to start your own next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to talk about why I started my YouTube channel and then hop right into 3 reasons why you should or might want to consider starting a YouTube channel. Now, YouTube has been around for like what, almost maybe 12, 13 years now. I jumped on YouTube probably like maybe its second year, that has been around, maybe second or third year. I came on like 2007. And why I started YouTube, and this is way before getting channels monetized and all of that stuff. Way before that, I started it for 2 reasons at the time. I just got started with, trying to make money online, like home business stuff. And one way that I wanted to promote some of the affiliate marketing products that I was doing and products that I created, I wanted to, get content out. Even way back then, I wanted to create videos to bring attention to the things that I was selling, right? The second reason was similar, but I was doing music. So I wanted to use YouTube as a way to get my music heard and build a fan base, right? So that's why I started YouTube. Now back then it was so many, it was even more different rules. It was way more laid back, way more I don't know, it was good and bad. It was you could almost just put up anything and get like all kinds of views and stuff. And it wasn't all of this optimization that you have to learn now and you have to do now, but you could pretty much put up anything and get some decent views and get some decent attention. But back then, your channel would get suspended that, like that. Back then, I mean, I lost so many channels. Back then, like 2007, 2000, I probably went through like 8 YouTube channels. Now, granted, the one channel I had it was very brutal, like hardcore, like cussing and my views. You know what I'm saying, on what was going on in the world. But still, if your videos got flagged too many times, it wasn't even like warnings. You would just get flagged and boom, your channel gone. And back then, though, you would just create another one. You know what I'm saying? But that's why I started YouTube. And I'm glad I did, because I still got a lot of videos, from years ago still up. Still, people can still find them and see them. So that's cool, right? So you might be thinking, all right, great. We know why you started YouTube years ago. So why should I start a YouTube channel? Well, here's 3 reasons why you could, and some of these, well, 2 of them, a lot of people don't really talk about. So you're in the right spot. One reason to start a YouTube channel is a way to express yourself or use it as an outlet, right? There's so many different things you could do now with video content. Say, for example, you got a super stressful job. Maybe you got to be super serious all day or whatever. You can literally create like a character. We got to be careful now with the kids thing, but you can create like even do videos where you do voiceover videos, and you talk about clips, or you talk about news clips. You don't even have to be on camera, or you can be on camera. Just it's your outlet. Maybe you just want to talk about, share your real opinion, talk about your job. You could even blur your face out nowadays if you want to, or you can even create like a little character, and really use YouTube as your outlet. You know what I'm saying? Once a week, at the end of the week, you can go to your camera, film your thoughts, upload it, and then watch people's response. Of course, you're gonna get some hate, but you're gonna get some positivity as well, right? So you can literally use YouTube as an outlet. You know what I mean? A way to express yourself in another way, and that could just be therapeutic. You know what I mean? That could just be therapeutic to you. So that's something definitely to consider. A second reason to start YouTube is accountability. So, say for example, you're trying to do something. You're just use weight loss for example. Say your goal is to lose 50 pounds. You can literally start a YouTube channel based around your fitness goals. And you know what you need to do to make this happen. You know what you need to do to lose 50 pounds. You know you got to exercise 4 days a week, 4 or 5 days a week. You know you got to change up kind of how you're eating. You know you got to do all this. So you can actually document it. And believe me, maybe you might only get 5 subscribers, but those are 5 people that are halfway interested in your weight loss goals. So now you got 5 people waiting like this for your content. They're waiting to see your results. So that little mind thing, knowing that people are expecting you to lose 50 pounds, now that shit, you're being held accountable because you're like, damn, I said I was going to post. And that's nothing. If you do use YouTube for accountability, make sure you make it perfectly clear why, how often you're posting your content. So if you're going to do it once a week, tell people, post every Friday. I give you my results every Friday, or I post, every 2 weeks. I'm gonna post my progress. Then that way you start getting, 20 subscribers, 100 subscribers. You start getting views, and now you're really feeling like, oh my God, I don't feel like working out today, but damn, I gotta shoot this accountability video tomorrow, this update video. So that will motivate you. It should motivate you to do what you got to do, because people are looking at you. And people will comment too and let you know, hey bro, where you been? I ain't seen you on here in a month. What's up? You losing weight? What are you doing? So, that's something that you can definitely use YouTube for, which is accountability. The third way, which is the most, in my opinion, common way, is to build a business, build a income, brand yourself, right? It's like all under this umbrella. Basically, I'll just say brand yourself. YouTube is a great way to do that, to get exposure for whatever your business is or whatever you're trying to do. YouTube can be a good platform. Granted, they have they're always changing, they have different policies, this and that. But if you're taking YouTube serious, you got to kind of be up to date on the rules, the changes, and what you need to do. Always be studying YouTube. You know what I mean? Study what's going on with the algorithm, study what's going on with like research, keywords, and this and that. But if you do that and you take it serious, you can build your brand, whatever it is. You know what I mean? Like 5,000 subscribers or whatever I got. It's not a lot, you know what I mean? But it's still 5,000 subscribers. You know what I mean? Where there's other people that got 100,000 subscribers, but there's also people with 25 subscribers. So it's a way that 5,000 people, there's an opportunity for 5,000 people to get my content, and so that's what you really need to take into consideration, that you can build a brand. Also, a lot of people focus on the monetization of their channels and stuff, where a lot of people don't even monetize their channels. They don't even care, because they're building their brand. They're selling something a lot bigger. You know what I mean? They have a bigger goal than just monetizing their YouTube channel. With YouTube, getting your channel monetized is great, but think about what you can do when you're building your brand. You can actually network with other people. You can meet other like-minded people through your YouTube channel. You can even strike up business deals. You can actually get branding deals. You can get companies that want to pay you to advertise on your channel. That has nothing to do with YouTube's monetization. So many different opportunities if you look at YouTube from a branding or just a marketing aspect. Tons of opportunities, whether you're affiliate marketer, building your own brand, or just whatever. Like, the opportunities there, if you're willing to do the research and learn YouTube and how it works, you can build a 6-7 figure business that's based around YouTube. All right, so those are 3 reasons why you should start a YouTube channel. And there you have it. You already know why I started mine, and I'm gonna keep grinding with it, because I think YouTube's gonna be around a while. It's gonna be around a while, so you might as well take advantage of it and get what you can and build something and rock with it. All right, comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. If there is any other reasons that you know of why you should start a YouTube channel, or comment below why you started your YouTube channel. All right, Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.